Hey guys, it's Vinamr here from the Fountain Pen Guy, back with another video. Now in this video, we will be having an overview at the Flair Glitter Extra Sparkle Gel Pen. Now we will be having a small kind of an unboxing of this gel pen. We will also be having a look at what are the packaging contents and what the gel pen offers to us in terms of everything. So let's start with the complete video. So I have the Flair Glitter Extra Sparkle Gel Pen out here. This is something very famous, used for coloring and for creative purposes in India. And it comes from a renowned brand which is Flair. I've also done a lot of reviews of Flair inky fountain pens. So let's have a look at the Flair Glitter. So it's a pack of 10 that we get, or there are 10 glitter gel pens of different colors. So they can be used for tattoo making, for henna drawing, for cards coloring, and for various process journaling or kind of different types of things, chart work or something like that. Mainly that can be used for creative purposes in school or out of school also. It's from Flair Student Club. It says bestseller glitter extra sparkle gel pen. One of the major things highlights is non-toxic gel ink. So that is it. And it's quality checked also. That's amazing. Then at the back side, it has contents glitter extra sparkle gel pens. And quantity is 10. So we have 10 gel pens. If you can see, we have 10 gel pens out here. And each gel pen costs 10 rupees. So the total of them is 100 rupees. And then it's Flair details. If you want, you can click a screenshot of this. That's all what we have in terms of the packaging. Now, one thing which you should know, you can separate this this kind of a pouch with the complete extra packaging. So you can remove this this pouch and you can carry it. It would be very handy for you. So let me just start with the complete video now, and let's remove this. And there, the first one what we have is the blue, then the red, then the golden, then the green, then the black, then the light blue, then we have a pink, then we also have a purple, then we have a silver and an orange. So these are the 10 main colors. Yeah, let's remove all of them. Let's have a look at first one of them actually. So that is how the gel pen actually looks. So this is the gel ink, and if you see, there's quite a lot of detailing on the body, like on the barrel a little bit with some spots. Then it's blue and Flair glitter gel written out here, and it's something really good, like the quality and the finish, if you can see, it's pretty good. So now let's have a look at the tip. So now this tip is like, I believe that this is 0.5. Nothing has been mentioned from Flair, but this is 0.5. And yeah, and this tip is the same for all Flair gel pens also. Yeah, and now if you can see, this is how you hold the pen. So if you see, there is like a little bit of detailing out here done. It's so that your hand doesn't get sweaty when you're writing with gel pen out here. So that's something very good for a stable writing experience. They must have given us this. And yeah, that is all for one gel pen what we have, the glitter gel pen of Flair.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's how they look, all the 10 gel pens, the glitter gel pens of Flair in the hands with their different color caps. And the bottoms are also different. That's how they look completely in their hand. Yeah, it's something good. You can carry it wherever you want to. This pouch which they've provided is pretty handy. You can remove this kind of pouch and you can use this. So that's one thing. And now secondly, I wanted to show the writing of this gel pen. So I've done it for all of them, so you can observe it. Now that's the blue one, then we have the red one, then it's the golden, then it's the green, then it's the black, now then that's the light blue, that's the pink, that's the purple, then that's the silver, and that's the orange. So that's, yeah, for the writing what I've done. And the writing has been done on an A4 size sheet. So if you see at the back, a little bit of it is visible. So they might be like a little bit dark, but they're really very good for like titling and for process journaling and for any creative art or purpose that you want. I really recommend buying this pack completely, especially if you're a student who's studying in school and you have to do a lot of creative kind of a work. It is a great package and a great deal for you which you can buy. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Share it with your family and friends whom it would be helpful for, especially the creative ones out there. This is Fountain Pen Guy signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.